collapse final destination 5. The bridge collapse final destination 5. The railroad header final destination. The railroad header final destination. Flight 180 to Paris final destination. Flight 180 to Paris final destination. The falling pane of glass final destination 2. The falling pane of glass final destination 2. The roller coaster disaster final destination 3. The roller coaster disaster final destination 3. Hooked in the elevator final destination 2. The gymnastics dismount final destination 5. The gymnastics dismount final destination 5. Revenge of the airbag final destination 2. Revenge of the airbag final destination 2. The tanning bed final destination 3. The tanning bed final destination 3. The highway disaster final destination 2. The highway disaster final destination 2. Laser eye surgery final destination 5. Full disembowelment the final destination. Vixano is relaxing at the pool with his luck coin, only to drop it into the water. Unbeknownst to him, the pool's drain setting is turned on, making the central drain too strong to escape from. As Hunt attempts to retrieve his good luck charm, he is suctioned to the drain and divested of several central organs.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.